to see, so
Okay, great.
okay, so you hit set and it asks you set what, pump mode and whatever. So you will put infuse rate and all these units, right? We want to use the minimum unit, not milliliters per hour, not microliters per hour, because that's like super, well, it could be, we can start very slow, or we could do microliters per minute. I don't know, maybe we can go to microliters per hour,
Okay.
which will be very slow.
Yeah.
Well, let's go for this. We have to test like moments.
Okay.
Okay, so let's say we do microliters per minute, and let's set a really slow flow rate of 1 microliter, and then enter. And then it see that there's infuse, like infuse is like positive, and then there's like, you know, it can goes up.
Yeah.
You know, so you can say infuse, and then once it's there, you can change it to refill, which is basically vacuum, or infuse. So we are going to use in positive, and then run, and that's it, and it's already run.
Okay.
Right? So let's stop it here, interrupt, and then let's mount these guys here, right? So you see that it has this thing and it has this thing. So it's as simple as just like setting this guy up here, right? And usually you put this ledge here so it doesn't move, right? So say we will do this. Where is this? Same with this one. We put both here and they're there, right? In position. If you feel like it's like you can do it, but I don't think it's necessary. And then this guy has to be grabbing this, because otherwise there's no way that the system can do it. So just mount it such that you have to probably, you know, you press it to move it, and then you mount both of them here. You might need to maybe a little bit, soak a little bit on the edge. Again, I normally fill the, you will see what I do it, but it's just to show you the machine. I normally fill the syringe before, because I don't want bubbles, right? So we will do that, but I just want you to show the machine now. So now the piston is like right here on the edge, or here, doesn't really matter. So say if I were to say, oh, let's refill, I hit refill and then run. See how it But I normally, as I mentioned, don't refill like that. And well, because this is not programmed for this specific guy, so you just have to be careful, because otherwise it will keep pulling. This is an old one. There's new ones that you can say, okay, don't go beyond this, but in this case it will pull everything, right? And then, so infuse, right? Infuse, and then set again, set fuse rate, okay, enter, and then run. So now, well, because this is far off, right, we can just put it like that, right? It will still like start like infusing. I mean, it's really hard to see because it's very slow, right? But that's it. Stop it. If you want to put some security, you can use this. But we need the screw, and then say, okay, the maximum is this, so don't go. But the system will keep pushing, so it will, you know, so anyways. We have to find out what is like the infuse rate that we need. But it's running, so